Hi friend, in this video I explain you how disassemble the computer of Toyota Corolla 2019 for change this computer with the Dasaita Max10. The only tool that you need is this one with a 10 volt. Okay, I show you how to disassemble. There are two wires that you need to disassemble. This one and this one. Okay. The computer is fixed to the chassis of the car with 4 bolts. And the last one. 2 bolts in the left side and 2 bolts in the right side. Okay. There is a clip in the upside of the wire. Okay. If you push the clip, you can disassemble the wire. Okay, this is the new Dasaita computer, Max10. It arrived with in the center position of the chassis. In this position you can't mount in the Corolla 2019 because this part doesn't fit in the computer. It's not possible. The solution is move this one in this position. Down. There are 2 screws here and 2 in the opposite side.
You lose.
Okay, the right position is this one, with the computer very close to the screw. In this position, the chassis of the Corolla, you can mount this one in the correct position. Okay, now is ready to mount in the car. Okay, in this configuration we need only 2 bolts. Okay, now I need to connect the cables.
Okay.
Okay, now you can connect the cables. Okay, this is the most important cable. Antenna. Okay. Probably this cable is not important because it's the camera, the external camera. I don't know if you need. Okay. Wrong, it's impossible because the shape of this connector is unique. Okay. Okay. And the external USB. No. Yes. This one, no. Okay. Then the microphone. The microphone is here. Yes. The GPS antenna. Okay. Wi-Fi and GPS. Also, in this case, a mistake is impossible. This is a SMA connector. Okay, and the last one is the wireless antenna. If you want a coverage, extended coverage of the wireless of the computer, you can use an external wireless antenna. The connector is a SMA normal connector. Now I connect the retro cam. The connector right is the cam VIN. Now it's ready to connect with the car. Okay. Also in this case, a mistake is impossible. This connector no, yes, yes, okay, perfect. Okay, this one, okay. Okay. I don't know for this connector. This connector probably is not important. Okay. Now, if I switch on the car, the computer is ready. The CAN bus works, correct. If I open the door, okay. Radio.
59 minuti.
It works.